morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
No.
Good morning. Again. Open your cameras.
Good morning, ma'am.
अथर्व सिंह बेटा ये तो रिमूव कर दूं तुम्हें मैं बता दूं. अथर्व सिंह, you want me to remove you? Athar Singh, you want me to remove you? Okay. Anmol Devansh Verma.
Good morning, ma'am.
Chalo, let me start. Open up. Arif Chaudhary, open your camera. I will not say this again and again. Everyone, you have to switch on your cameras. Switch on your cameras quickly. Devansh, what we have done last time?
Ma'am, in maths notebook.
हाँ बेटा, in maths notebook. Yashraj Mahajan, please switch off your mic and open your camera. You have done the opposite. You have opened your mic but not opened your camera.
We will done last time. Expand the given number.
Expand the given numbers. Devansh, can you show me on your camera itself? Which one? Exercise number. Exercise number. Can you tell me the exercise number?
Exercise number 1.4.
Exercise number 1.4 you have done. Expand the following, right? Question number D. Question D.
Ma'am, B and D.
B. B and?
I will done B and A.
B we have done. We have not done question C.
Yes, ma'am.
Not done question C. एक बार मुझे भेज दो बेटा. जो last page है वो भेज दो. This is fourth B, right? He is sending me the answer, then I'll start. Rishabh, open your camera. Vikas, camera. Quickly, open your cameras. I think you have done till question number C. We have to start question number D, right? 1.3 तो हो गई पूरी. 1.4 he has done. He's sending me the answers. Nandini, Devansh Verma, Zoya, Vikas. Devansh Verma is sending me the answer. Devansh Verma, no problem. Others, please switch on your cameras. Okay, Devansh, I got it. Thank you so much, Devansh. Question B we have done. Now we will write question number C. Now you can, if you have, you can continue from the same page. Write the date 16th April 2021. You can continue from the same page if you want. If you have a space, you can continue from the same page. If you don't have a space, you can start from a new page. Okay. So exercise. So we have to do question number C now. You have to start question C. Just give me a minute. Let me take out question C. Exercise 1.4. Question number C. 1.4 question C. Let me check. Where is it?
Ma'am, I have done the question.
Expand the given numbers. ठीक है. Question B. Expand the numbers we have done. We have to do question C now. Question C for all gaya. Maths by notebook. Exercise question C. Write the number names. No.
Ma'am, I have C.
Wait a second, beta. Yes, ma'am. Shall I see on my WhatsApp group? Yes, now I'm writing question C here. Wait a minute. 1.3 का क्वेश्चन सी. It's not there. वन पॉइंट फोर का क्वेश्चन सी. सॉरी. Because chalo, I'm giving you next question. Write the question number C. That is, write the numbers. Write the numbers. Okay. Now a bit expanded form is given to you. There is a margin. No need to draw the margin. It's already drawn in your notebooks. Okay. Wait a second, beta. Let me check it in 4th C group. Yesterday was not class. 13th April was the class, right? Yeah, let me check it. Let me check the answers. Wait a second. 3 equal parts. 1, 3. What I'm saying? 13th April. ठीक है, ये वाला हो गया था. 4th C. We did first. Wait a minute, beta. I'm checking just what we have done in 4th C. Same questions we will do in 4th B also. ठीक है. Keep it. Find the place value वाला हमने किया था ना. Somebody saying something. Write in expanded form also we have done. Nobody can write. 11,000. Question B we have done. Take a screenshot. Stay back and put down. Oh, I think we missed this. Chalo, write the numbers. I'm writing here. 30,000 plus 4,000 plus 20 plus 1. You have to write it short form there. Okay? If there is no zero, you will not write zero. Question number 2 is 50,000. Sorry. 50,000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 5. Okay. Now the next question is question number 3. 90,000 plus 9. Beta, if there is no zero in between, do not write any zero. Okay. 4th one is 70,000 plus 700,000 plus 7. Write down the answers. These are the questions. Copy down the questions and write down the answers. Let me check what we have done in other classes. Start doing, everyone, quickly. Oh, I got it. I got it. Beta, have you started writing it? Just rub it, rub it, rub it. If you have done it, then rub it. Please, अब बेटा अगर कर लिया तो रब कर दो इसको. इसको रब कर दो, इसको अगर कर लिया तो. Write in short form. That is 80,000. Write these questions, not that one. Plus 2,000. Plus 600. Plus 90. Plus 5. No need to add it. Add नहीं करना है बेटा. Write it short form. This is 82,695. So simply you have to write here 82,695. Okay, 80,200, 695. Okay, second question is 50,000 plus 0 plus 300 plus 0 plus 3. बेटा इधर जरूरी नहीं है कि 0 भी दिया हो. अगर 0 नहीं दिया होगा, then you have to think yourself. Suppose I've not given 0 here and I've not given 0 here. You just write this much only. This is the question to you. What will be the answer? You will see yourself. Okay. Next question is no need to add it. Add नहीं करना है इसको. 10,000 plus 1,000 plus 90,000 plus 900 plus 50. Okay, do these questions because C section has done the same questions, so you also do the same questions. Start doing it. Once you complete it and send the answers to me quickly. After this, you will write question D. This is question C and you will write here question D. Again, you will write in expanded form. Okay, start doing it. Athav Singh, what are you doing? Start doing this. Why are you sitting idle? That's why I ask you to open your cameras. Many of you sit idle behind the cameras. They play games, they do this thing, but they don't do the work. Everyone just complete your work. Start doing your work. Quickly completed. Arpit, Yashraj Mahajan, Anmol, Vikas, Karthik Kumar Anand, Arun, shall I throw you out? I'm going to throw these people out because they are not switching on the camera. I don't like repeating the things again and again. आपकी बात समझ में नहीं आती है ना? Nobody is able to understand this thing. But I don't like repeating the things. So send it to me on WhatsApp, but don't switch off your camera. Do one thing, do question D also. Question D भी कर लो, उसके बाद करना. Next. Question D भी कर लो, उसके बाद करना है. Next. Wait a second. Question number D. Wait. Question D is write in expanded form. Question number 1 is 56,204. इसको expanded form में करना है. बेटा, it is given in your book also. That's why we have to do it again. 65,021 That's why we have to do. Otherwise, no need to do these questions. नहीं करते हैं, लेकिन आपकी बुक में फिर से दे रखे हैं रिपीट करके. These are the questions. See everyone. If you want, I will send them on WhatsApp also. कहाँ करना है इसको? Maths में notebook I should write it. Any problem you have, beta, any question you can ask me, okay? Quickly do it and send it to me on WhatsApp. And tell me whenever you send it, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. कौन था ये? अतर सिंह और आरुष चौधरी. Who was this?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, no.
तो कौन था फिर? ये अनमोल है. अनमोल मैं भूल गई थी. Sorry. हाँ, ये अनमोल है. अनमोल की आवाज है. देखा बेटा, तुम्हारी आवाज से भी पहचानने लगे. Who is this and who is this not?
Ma'am,
हाँ.
वस्तु A2.695. आराम से आना.
कौन आराम से आना है? आरुष.
मैम अपनी मदर से कह रहा था मैम मैं.
अच्छा. जल्दी से कंप्लीट करके सेंड करो इसके आंसर. क्विक. चलो Zoya, tell me the answer of the second one. What is the answer of second one? Tell me the number.
5,000.
नहीं, नंबर बोलो. 505 ऐसे करके नंबर बोलो. 53 ऐसे करके नंबर बोलो. What is the number coming? Like I can read it as 82,695. So tell me this number. What is the number?
50303.
303. Very good, Zoya. And where should be the comma? Here. Okay.
मैम नेक्स्ट मैं बताओ.
बताओ यशराज.
1 1
1
comma 1.
1. No. देखो 10,000 वाला आ गया, 1,000 वाला आ गया. Where is hundreds?
001.
Hundreds वाला है, tens वाला नहीं है. Now 1. Yes, very good. 001.
मैम कैन आई टेल?
Yes, Rishabh.
मैम 99 comma.
99 comma गलत.
No मैम
90,000. Where is 1,000?
मैम 99.
99.
90 comma. मैम 90 comma 980.
Vikas, don't speak in between.
मैम comma. मैम 008.
मैम 00 है.
No मैम 008.
Wrong. Full wrong, Rishabh. Vikas, now you tell.
मैम 90
comma
8 sorry 9
9
80.
80. Very good, Vikas. Why? देखो ऋषभ, look here. ऋषभ, look here. 90,000. 90,000 हो गया. There is any number of thousand here, Rishabh?
No, ma'am.
1000. So we will place 1 0 here. 100, 900. 900
Okay.
ka 9 will be there. Then tens ka 8 is here. Ones ka no number is there, so you will write 0 here. Okay?
Okay.
Do
Okay,
this one
ma'am.
also. Next one, question D quickly, everyone. Quick. Finish karo isko. We'll do the next part, then successor and predecessor also today. Okay, Athar Singh, send me the answer.
Join now. In 2 or 3 minutes, I will try to join.
Beta, first one is 82, not 52. There it is 82, Athar Singh. And Athar Singh, you have not put the commas. Put the commas also, Athar Singh. Athar Singh, put the commas also. And no need to write 0, 0, 0 3 times. No need to write 0, 0, 0 3 times.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Haan, Anmol.
Ma'am, question D. We are. Ma'am, question D कैसे करेंगे?
Expanded form. See, beta, expanded
Yes,
form क्या होता है? Opened form. This is actually the expanded form and this is the short form. इसको बोलते expanded form, इसको बोलते short form. कैसे करेंगे? Now see. 5 is at 5 की place value क्या है बेटा? 50,000. तो क्या हो गई इसकी? 50,000. यहाँ 6 की place value क्या है? 6,000. So you will write 6,000. Plus 2 की place value 100. 200. So you will write 200. Plus 0 की जगह if you want to write, you can write 0. If you don't want to write 0, it's okay. And 4 ones. 4 ones are 4. If you will write 0, then it is also correct. And if you don't write 0, then also correct. Understood? Anmol?
Okay, ma'am. I understood. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, fourth B. Now I got the Arpit. Okay, Arpit, very good.
I have done.
Okay, beta.
I have also done.
Have you sent it to me? Okay, Nandini, I got your answer, beta. 600, 204, 65,000, 21. Okay, Nandini, all are correct. Very good, Nandini.
No.
Beta, be quick. Jaldi, jaldi karo. Don't be so slow. Zoya, Devansh, Yashraj, Rishabh, be quick, beta. You are grown-ups. You are in a 4th standard. Jaldi, jaldi करने को होता है work, okay? Within 2 minutes you have to say. अरे यशराज बेटा समझ नहीं आया. देखो बेटा यशराज listen. यशराज look here, open your video. If you देखो यही होता है. He is sitting without a video. That's why he is not able to understand. See here, 50,000. Is there any number of thousand here, Yashraj? Yashraj, tell me, is there any number of thousand here? There is no number of thousand, so we will write 0. 300, then 3. Here is no number of tens, so in place of tens, you will place 1 0. So wrong, Yashraj, your answers are wrong. Second answer is wrong. Okay, Kanishka, I got your answer, beta. Okay, Kanishka, correct. Very good. Devansh, correct. Devansh, I told you previously also बेटा जब हम एक जैसे Devansh look here Devansh.
Yes, ma'am.
See, when we complete this question, we will leave one line here, and when we start the next question, leave one more line here, because आपकी writing is quite big, so you just leave one line to write neat and clean. Okay, leave some one line. We'll leave two lines when one question finish. Okay, Devansh, your answers are correct, beta. Good. And no need to write here, beta. If you are writing 0, 0, no need to write 0, 0. Only a single 0 is enough.
Okay, ma'am.
Rishabh, leave one line in between.
Ma'am.
Rishabh, why are you not leaving one line in between?
Okay, ma'am.
Where is Vikas'
Excuse
answer?
me, ma'am.
Zoya's answer? Ha, beta, Anmol.
Ma'am, in the third question D third,
Ha.
there is a double zero.
So what? Let it be. If it is there, let it be 90,000. 3 is at 1,000 place, so 3,000. 0 ka if you write or don't write, you write 0 here, plus 4. Like this you can do. No need to write double 0, 0, 0, 0. If you don't want to write any 0, then it is also correct. Zoya, where is your answer? Vikas, where is your answer? Anmol, where is your answer? Be quick. So I'm going to rub this. Now I'm going to teach you something new. Okay? I'm going to teach you something new. Give me a second. Just say completed those who have not done it. Hardly 1 or 2 students are left, those who have not done it. So do it quickly. I'm going to rub this one. Write the numbers.
But ma'am, my answers are correct, ma'am.
Yes,
My
your
answers
answers
are
are correct, obviously, beta. Yes, our answers are correct. And Rishabh, leave one line in between, okay? Okay, beta, don't write anything. Just look here on the board, everyone. Look here on the board. You remember successor and predecessor?
Ma'am, I know.
Yes.
Ma'am, I also know.
Yes.
Ma'am, I know. And I also know.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Okay.
have to plus
One by
and
one,
predecessor.
Rishabh, don't speak in between. I'll ask myself. Okay, Athar Singh will tell me what is successor. Athar Singh will tell me what is successor.
One number after.
One number after. Very good. Okay, Rishabh will tell me what is predecessor.
Ma'am, predecessor means we have to minus 1.
You have
Ma'am,
to minus 1. Yes, minus 1, or you can say the previous number also.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है? Wait a minute. Successor, predecessor. Wait a minute, beta. Just my successor, predecessor check कर लूँ. Where is it? Okay, I got it. ठीक है. So successor means if you don't know, अब देखो अगर मैंने आपको ऐसा नंबर दे दिया, आपको उसको successor नहीं समझ आ रहा है. Suppose I've given you 90,999 and you don't know what will be the successor. In case you don't know, वैसे तो आपको पता होना चाहिए 999 के बाद 1000 आता है. और if I give you 9,299, so you should know after 2,999 there will be 300, 3,000. If you don't know beta, so you can do for successor, you can add 1 to it in rough, not here. 9 plus 1, 10, 9 plus 1, 10, 9 plus 1, 10, 1, 2, 3 and 93,000. This is the successor. Suppose I've given you a tough number like 90400 and I ask you to find out its successor. So how will you predecessor? So if you don't know, you can just subtract 1 also. Or if you know that 90,400 से पहले 399 आता है, you can do it directly also. 90,399. Pre means previous number and success means the next number. Understood, everyone? So take out new page, everyone, in your maths pair notebook. Take out new page. Maths pair notebook, new page, quickly. Maths pair notebook again, new page. New page. ठीक है? Write exercise number. Write exercise number 1.5 at the top. Write exercise 1.5 at the top. Quickly, everyone. We'll finish this exercise in this period only. Although the 10 minutes are only left, but we will do in this period only. This is the question. Access the Mathsware notebook, new page. You can see here on my screen. Predecessor, number, successor. In the first column, may divide your pages in 3 equal parts. Divide your page in 3 equal parts. Quickly. Write the predecessor in the previous column and successor in the next column. In the middle column, you just write down the number. And use a scale. To draw the lines, use a scale. And spelling of successor and predecessor should be correct. Nandini, how will you pronounce successor and predecessor?
What, ma'am?
How did you say successor and predecessor?
Ma'am, in successor, we plus one number and producer, we minus one number.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Zoya,
these right
Zoya,
not.
Zoya, Zoya,
Yes,
your
ma'am.
third question is wrong. आपने third question wrong लिखा है बेटा. Write the numbers. का third question wrong लिखा है. Just check it from someone else notebook page. किसी और के पेज से चेक करो आपने wrong किया हुआ है जोया.
Ma'am, just write in notebook. Just write in notebook, ma'am.
Yes, what is written at the top? Mathsware notebook. That means you have to write in Mathsware notebook. आरुष
Yes,
बेटा राइट एन एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म में आपने लिखा 60,000 प्लस 5,000 वहां पर आना चाहिए प्लस 50,000 नहीं प्लस 5,000 ऐसे ही नेक्स्ट लास्ट वाले में भी 3,000 में कॉमा रॉन्ग प्लेस पर लगा है 3 डिजिट से पहले आता है कॉमा.
Okay, ma'am.
And draw the line with a scale and use sharp pencil, Arush. Draw the line with a scale. Zoya, your third answer should be 10,000 plus 1,000 plus 1. You have written the wrong question, Zoya.
हटा
कौन हटा रहा है ये? हाँ? आरुष
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा सबको क्यों बता रहे हो? खुद पढ़ लो.
Ma'am, I have done.
Sorry. Send it to me.
Ma'am, I have sent.
Okay. Okay, I got it, Yashraj. Yashraj, I'll throw this notebook and tear it into pieces because you have not drawn a single line with a scale. And what is the spelling of predecessor? And you have not done the previous question also, I can see properly. क्या है ये Yashraj? Rough copy है ये? Is this your rough notebook? Why yes, ma'am? Where is your maths notebook? Where is your maths notebook? Open your mic. Where is your maths notebook? Tell me. Open your mic, Yashraj, and tell me where is your maths notebook. और ये स्केल से लाइन नहीं ड्रॉ की है, प्रेडिसेसर की स्पेलिंग रॉन्ग है, प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन ढंग से नहीं किया है. व्हाट इज दिस? इज दिस अ जोक गोइंग ऑन? यू नो दिस इज योर क्लास गोइंग ऑन राइट नाउ. यू हैव टू डू ऑल द वर्क प्रॉपरली. बाकी सब कर रहे हैं नहीं कर रहे हैं? क्लास में ऐसे करते काम? टेल मी, विल यू डू सच टाइप ऑफ वर्क इन क्लास? आज मुझे यशराज टुडे इन द इवनिंग, टुडे बाय, आज मैं आपको टाइम दे रही हूँ टिल इवनिंग. In evening, you are going to send me all the work done till today. Properly in a maths pair notebook. All the work. Understood, Yashraj?
Okay, ma'am.
I will wait. I am keep waiting for this. Otherwise, if you will meet next time to me, na, I'll just call your parents straight away. If you're not going to complete your work. I'm going to show this to principal so that he's not doing his work. I want to see all the work done neatly and cleanly. Okay, beta. Anmol, I'm checking your answer. Give me a second, beta. Very good, Anmol. Very nice. Beta, Anmol, 21 should not be there. 20 plus 1 will be there. But where is the successor and predecessor one? Anmol, improve your handwriting speed. Speed. Beta, speed banao thodi si, Anmol.
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone, there is only 1.5 minutes left. So be quick, everyone. Quick, quick, quick.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay. Have you sent it to me, Arush?
1 minute.
Be quick, quick, quick. Beta, take a screenshot if you have not done it. Take a screenshot of it if you have not done it, because its period is going to be over. The meeting will end itself.